Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to create your own custom emoji on your iPhone using iOS 18. It's super easy, so let's get started. First of all, make sure your iPhone is updated is iOS 18.3 or newer. To check, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option from there and tap the software update option from there. If an update is available, install it. Then turn on Apple Intelligence. These features only works on iPhone 16 lineup, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you have a compatible device, do this. Go to the settings of your phone, then tap the Apple Intelligence option or you can simply search it from there like this. Then make sure it's turned on. Then once your phone is ready, open the keyboard in messages or any app where you can type. Look for the describe an emoji option, tap on it and type a short description of the emoji you want. Example, cat on the moon. Your iPhone will generate different emoji options. Choose the one you like. It will be saved to your keyboard. You can reuse it anytime. Right now this custom emoji are square shape, but future updates might improve them. That's it. Now you can create and share your own unique emojis with friends and family. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.